In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to check when your order from Adidas will arrive using a simple step-by-step method. First, go to Adidas website and log in to your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select My Orders. From there, choose the order you want to track or click on Check Status of Order. Next, enter your order number along with the email address you used while placing the order. After that, click on Track Order and press Continue. Once done, you'll be able to see your order status along with the estimated delivery date and tracking information if it's available. You can also do the same process using the Adidas mobile app by opening the app, going to your orders, and tapping Check Status. Keep in mind that delivery estimates may vary depending on your reason and shipping method, and sometimes only an estimated date is shown instead of an exact time. If your order is delayed for several days, you can always contact Adidas support for help. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.